Hello my dear students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn articles. Articles in grammar in English, it contains only three words, a and the, you know very well. Articles are generally used for specific or non-specific purpose in front of the noun. So this is in your unit 2 and you will be getting in vocabulary part one more question underline. You have to fill a and the. Definitely this article will come in error spotting where you may be given an wherein you have to replace that and with a. Or sometimes you will not be given any article and wherein you have to use an article. So this is very important for you in 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard in schooling area. And also while writing competitions and all, you should know where to use the proper articles. Okay, let us see the definition. It is in your unit 2, page number 40 and 41 of your textbook 10th English. Okay children, let us see what is the definition of articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. So let us see what is specific or unspecific. Specific means, here see, after the long day the cup of tea tasted particularly good. That means all the day somebody is working all the day and he had a cup of tea. A cup of tea is not here. He had that means a particular cup of tea is mentioned here. That particular cup of tea is mentioned like the cup of tea. So he was so tired, the cup of tea has tasted particularly good. That is specific. He is mentioning a specific cup of tea. So that's why here the article is used. It is also called as definite article. The is called as definite article. So it is used in the specifying any noun. Okay. So let us see what is the indefinite article, that is a and. So how we are using it? After a long day, a cup of tea. After a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. So after a long day of work, anybody, it is mentioning any one person having any cup of tea, that is not a specific, it is unspecific. Anybody having a cup of tea after a tiring work is tasting good, particularly it tastes particularly good. Okay, that is why this is unspecific. So English has, this grammar has two types of article what I mentioned, that is definite and indefinite. Definite article is the, indefinite article is a and an. So definite article, it limits the meaning of noun to one particular thing. It is specific, that is. Okay, a and. We use and. Generally, article is used for specifying one particular thing, one singular place or noun or thing or person. For that we use article. So how we use it, that is what we are going to understand here. So a is used where it is used in front of the consonant. Consonant means what? Vowel. Other than vowel words, vowel is a, e, I, o, u. So not only the specification a, e, I, o, u, the pronunciation also involves here. So other than a, e, I, o, u, the consonant, the other letters, the other 26 letters. So a, e, I, o, u, 5 letters. So total 26 letters are alphabet. So these 5 letters are vowel. Other 21 letters, that letters sound is the consonant. Those are consonant, and an is used in front of vowels. An is used in front of vowels. An apple, an umbrella, you know that. So a girl, a school boy. So that is a book. We call it a book. Okay. So we use a and with the singular nouns and adjectives that begins with consonant sound. Mind it, it should be consonant sound, not consonant letters. Okay, during your starting previous year and all, you must have learnt only it is consonant is this, vowel is it. But consonant sound you have to keep in mind when you are coming to the higher classes. Okay, for example, a girl. So here the consonant is G. It is not vowel, the consonant G is mentioned here. An orange, O. O is vowel. So in front of the vowel we will be using an. The article an will be used. An apple, an umbrella, a computer, a unit. Here see, always there will be exemptions in English grammar that you have to keep in mind. Here when you pronounce unit, it is YU. So the Y is consonant. Miss, it is U here, it is a vowel. Why don't you we use an? See, in English, this is the pronunciation you have to see. So when you are pronouncing U, U means Y. Y-U, the pronunciation comes Y. So Y is consonant. That's why we use a unit, a wonderful place. An artist, artist, A. We are pronouncing the vowel A, R. Okay, so an artist, an MLA. So generally in abbreviation, we will be having the vowel sound MLA, MA, MP. So for those words, we will be using an. In front of abbreviations, we will be using an, which will be pronouncing like vowels. Okay, so that's why we are using an. Then an honest person, honest, H is silent here and O is pronounced here. That's why here it is an. So the pronunciation you should keep in mind whether the pronunciation is consonant sound or vowel sound. Okay, here see an honorable man, honor, see O-N-O-U-R. The pronunciation H is silent here. So that's why we use honor. A European. So here U, already I told you U, Y-U. So Y is consonant. That's why we are using A in front of European. But an American. So this comes in error spotting. So keep in mind, an European, if it comes, you have to strike out an and you have to write a European. Like that, a American it will come and you have to write an American. Okay. So we use the is definite article. So we use the when a person, an animal, a plant, a place or thing is mentioned for second time. So when you are using it first time, we will be using the indefinite article a or an. When you are using the second time the same noun, we will be using the definite article. See, for example, I bought a book. I bought a book. Okay, this morning I bought a book this morning. I am reading the book now. Or the book is very interesting. I bought an orange. I am telling you orally, I bought an orange. The orange is very tasty. So second time when you are using, we will be using definite article. Hope you understand, students. First time when you use for the same place or thing or person or anything, you will be using or an. The same article, the same noun, when it is repeated second time, we will be using the definite article. For that, the example is given here. I bought a book this morning. I am reading the book now. I am reading the book. So first time we are using a, second time we are using the. So like that, I bought an orange. I bought an orange, comma, the orange is tasty. Second time we are using no. So the orange is tasty. So when we are using second time, we will be using the. Okay, you understand, I hope. Let us see where and where we are using the. We use the definite article when it is clear to the reader or the listener. Okay, so which person or which place or animal. So when we are definite about the thing, then we use the. For example, the judge found him not guilty. The judge means we know he is a person who finalizes and orders and release the orders whether the person is a guilty or a criminal or not a criminal. That is judged by a judge. So we know he is a specific particular person. That's why here the judge. Also we use the when there is only one such thing in the world. If there is only one such thing, we will be using the, like the sun, the moon. Okay, so the earth goes round the sun. The earth goes round the sun. There is only one earth, there is only one sun. That's why we use the earth, the sun, the moon. Okay, so like that we use the before the ordinal numbers. Ordinal number means what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, whatever it is. So the example here I have given, I live on the third floor. So the third is the ordinal number. So in front of third or first or second or fourth, fifth, we will be using the definite article. Okay, the is used before some proper nouns. If it is a proper, some of the proper nouns like the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, like that, those things we use proper nouns. For that proper noun, not all the proper noun. For that proper noun we use the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea. The is used before the names of most famous buildings or monuments or landmarks or any natural wonders, the 7 wonders of the world we call. Okay, like that, some places. For example, the Park Hotel, the Taj Hotel in Mumbai, the Taj Mahal in Delhi, in Agra, the Taj Mahal in Agra, the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, like that. The Republic of China. Some countries also we use in front of the name of the countries, which is in plural. Or in some country like the Republic of China, we call the Republic of China. But generally we call China. But when you use a full name, we call the Republic of China, the United States of America, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the Netherlands. So when some country name like it comes in plural form, we use the. And some country we may not, but they are used with the. So that exemptions and all you should keep in mind. Thank you children. We will continue in the next session where we use some more articles. Okay, thank you for listening this. We use a and before countable. You know countable, that means you can count 1, 2, 3 or 1 liter, 2 liter. I need a liter of milk. I need a bottle of water. So that is countable. Okay. So in front of countable we use a and. So a leaf fell off the tree. A leaf, one leaf. An apple fell off the tree. Because of that apple fell down, Newton discovered the law. He what is that? Gravitation law. He discovered the gravitation law. Okay, he formulated, that means. Like that, a leaf fell off the tree. That is countable. Rain can cause flooding. Rain can cause, it is not countable. How you can count rain? So in front of rain, you cannot use the article. Okay, so it is not countable. So rain can cause flooding. Sometimes we use the with uncountable nouns when it is clear to the reader. So when the reader knows yes this much, like that, we can easily use the. For that the example, the rice in the supermarket is good. Generally we will not use article for rice, because like rain we cannot count rice. But here we are saying some specific rice, specific quality of rice available in a particular supermarket, defined. So the rice in the supermarket, we know which supermarket it is. So is good. So that's why the is used. But generally we don't use. Rice is the staple food. It is a defined one, but rice is not defined. It is a uncountable. So rice is the staple food of Asians or of Indians. The word some. The word some can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. We may not be able to count it, or we may not be able to, we may be able to count or may not be able to count. For that, we have some examples like I want some apples. We can count the number of apples. But I want some papers. We may not be able to count how many papers. Some papers. Okay, so we can use some for both countable and uncountable. Like here, languages and nationalities. Languages and nationalities, sports and academic subjects do not require any article. So we are seeing where we don't use articles. Like I studied French in high school. During my high school period, I studied the French. It never comes the French. It comes only French. I studied English. I studied French. I studied Tamil. So, the Tamil. It will not come the Tamil, the English or the French. Like that, I like to play baseball. It is not the baseball, a baseball. We will not use any article in front of baseball. I like to play baseball. These things will come in error spotting, students. That's why I am telling you additionally. My sister was always good at the maths. No, it is maths, only maths. My sister is good at maths. No article will come there. Okay. These are all a simple explanation about article, students. Please see this again and again so that you will be familiar with the articles, and I will also give you some exercises for you to work out. Thank you for listening this, children. Thank you very much.